Today I am reviewing the Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine BES881BSS. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Breville Barista Touch Impress Espresso Machine BES881BSS is a premium espresso machine that brings professional coffee making into your home, combining precision engineering, smart technology, and user-friendly features to create a truly exceptional experience. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or someone looking to elevate your morning routine, this machine is designed to guide you through every step of the process with ease. One of the standout features of the Barista Touch Impress is its step-by-step barista guidance. With the Impress Puck system, the machine provides real-time feedback as you grind, dose, tamp, and extract your coffee. This ensures that every shot you pull is perfectly balanced, whether you're making an espresso, cappuccino, or latte. The auto-correction of the next dose allows for precise puck preparation, so you get consistent results every time, even if you're new to espresso making. The assisted tamping system is another game changer. With intelligent dosing and 22 pounds assisted tamping, it automatically ensures the correct pressure for every puck. Finished with a 7 degrees barista twist, this feature simplifies the most technical part of espresso preparation, taking out guesswork and making it easy to create cafe-quality coffee at home. Breville's ThermoJet heating system is a major highlight, achieving the optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. That means you don't have to wait around to make your perfect cup. Your espresso is ready almost instantly, while still maintaining the exact temperature needed for maximum flavor extraction. This is a feature that truly sets the Barista Touch Impress apart from many other home espresso machines. The machine also comes with Auto Steam 1 technology, Auto MilQ, which lets you customize your milk texture and temperature. Whether you prefer traditional dairy, oat, or almond milk, Auto MilQ adjusts the air injection time and temperature to deliver silky, smooth microfoam every time. This makes it perfect for latte art or simply enhancing the flavor and texture of your coffee drinks. Another feature that coffee lovers will appreciate is the integrated grinder with European precision burrs. With 30 grind settings and dose control, you can grind the perfect amount of coffee for each cup. Combined with the touchscreen interface, which guides you through 8 cafe favorite presets or customizable drinks, you have complete control over your coffee experience at your fingertips. For added value, when you purchase and register the machine, you receive 2 free bags of specialty coffee, allowing you to immediately start experimenting with high-quality beans. The brushed stainless steel finish adds a sleek, modern look to your kitchen while ensuring durability and easy cleaning. In summary, the Breville Barista Touch Impress BES881BSS is more than just an espresso machine. It's a home barista system. With features like the Impress Puck system, assisted tamping, Auto MilQ, ThermoJet heating, and precision grinder, it brings professional-level coffee making to your countertop. Whether you're crafting your morning espresso, a silky cappuccino, or experimenting with latte art, this machine makes every cup consistent, flavorful, and beautifully textured. For anyone serious about coffee at home, the Breville Barista Touch Impress offers precision, speed, and guidance that rivals your favorite cafe. From the intuitive touchscreen experience to the hands-free, silky, smooth microfoam, it delivers a premium, professional-quality coffee experience that's accessible to everyone, whether you're a beginner or an experienced home barista.